Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll convert a hexadecimal string into a decimal, which is a base 10 equivalent using C#. Hexadecimal is base 16, digits 0 to 9 and A to F, and is common in programming for colors, memory addresses, and low-level data. We show a simple, reliable implementation using frameworks, parsing helpers, and include a safe variant that validates input so your program will not crash on bad data. I'll explain each line so you can reuse the pattern in utilities or learning projects. Hex strings may come in many forms: upper or lowercase, with or without a prefix like 0x. Our job is to accept a hex string and output its decimal equivalent. We show the compact int parse number styles hex number approach and a safer TryParse version that handles invalid input gracefully. For extremely long hex values that exceed int range, you can use long or big integer. We mentioned that as an extension. Here's the code I recommend. Int TryParse with number styles hex number interprets the string as base 16. TryParse returns a boolean and avoids exceptions on invalid input. Perfect for robust apps. We parse culture info in variant culture to ensure consistent parsing regardless of locale. If parsing succeeds, we print the decimal value. Otherwise, we print a friendly error. For a simpler one-liner, you show the input is valid. Int des is equal to int parse hex val. Number styles hex number. Works, but it throws exceptions for bad data. Walkthrough. We read or set the hex string, then ask the framework to parse it as is, as hexadecimal. Number styles hex number tells the parser to treat A to F as valid digits. TryParse covers lowercase and uppercase letters. Handling the Boolean result lets you avoid the exceptions and provides a clear message to users. If the hex represents a number outside int range, TryParse fails. In that case, switch to long, TryParse, or big integer for arbitrarily large numbers. Here are some examples showing behavior. Note that TryParse expects plain hex digits. If your input has 0x prefix, strip it first. For very large hex values, prefer long, TryParse or system numeric big integer parse, hex string number styles, hex number, to avoid overflow. Hex, hex to decimal conversion is everywhere. CSS color codes, binary file parsing, network messages, and developer utilities. When building tools for these domains, robust parsing which is handling optional prefixes, case, whitespace, and large values, makes your tool reliable. The small function is useful utility to keep in your toolkit. To wrap up, the framework provides straightforward parsing of hex strings. Use TryParse for user input to avoid exceptions and to give helpful feedback. Remember to normalize input, such as trim whitespace and remove prefixes, and pick a numeric type that fits the expected range. If you need to parse extremely large hex numbers, big integer with the proper number styles works well. Try adding unit tests to cover valid and invalid hex inputs. That's the best way to ensure correctness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.